As a leading designer and manufacturer in China, ByTune Electronics Company Limited has specialized in high-quality slip rings and innovative 360 degrees rotational connectivity solutions since 1998, serving diverse industries globally. Today, we will focus on our main products, through-hole slip rings. In dynamic rotating systems, reliable power and signal transmission is critical. ByTune's through-bore slip rings deliver uninterrupted D-direction 360 degrees rotation, being engineered for precision, durability, and peak performance. To meet diverse application needs, our standard through-bore slip rings span a full-size spectrum, small, medium, and large, designed to tackle signal and power transmission challenges in your device. Next, let's explore their key features. Our slip rings offer bore sizes from 3 mm to 500 mm plus 4 various shaft diameters. Rated at 300 to 10,000 RPM, with low electrical noise and minimal wear. They have standard current, 1 mA, 50 A, and voltage, 24/600 VAC/VDC, ratings, suitable for low-voltage signals and high-power transmission. Offering 1 to 300 optional circuits, they support power and signals like Ethernet, video, CAN bus, and USB, or hybrid electrical with pneumatic, hydraulic setups. Designed for durability, they operate stably at -40 degrees Celsius to +100 degrees Celsius with IP68 options for dust/water resistance and corrosion protection, ideal for harsh environments. At ByTune, whether requiring specialized signal transmission, specific technical parameters, non-standard dimensions, or reliable performance in harsh environments, our R&D team delivers perfect solutions to meet your requirements. With nearly 30 years of industry expertise and a global presence in 200+ countries, ByTune has successfully developed through-bore slip rings for special applications, including agricultural packaging machines, Ferris wheels, elevated work platforms, and material handling conveyors. Finally, if you're interested in our products or want to learn more, subscribe our YouTube channel. Feel free to visit our website for full product specifications and application cases, or reach out to us anytime through our channels.